Welcome to DB Stockbroking. I think many of you know about my broking firm. It gives you lots of profit in this last 1, 2, 3 years. The persons, the clients, the family members, the friends, my colleagues, all who have invested in my firm. Right now they are in huge profit since last year. So as per constant profit given from my firm to all of you, I like to congratulate everyone who have trusted me and they have invested in me in my firm since long years. Now, as this 2020 year is going to be end within few days, so I would like to welcome 2021 with new interests, with new profit strategy, with more constant profit. The most important, I believe, is that the person who gives you constant profit is the most important as compared to the person who gives you more profit. Because the person who gives you more profit, maybe 1 or 2 days, he may give you loss. But the person who gives you constant profit, neither less nor high, but they give you constant every month profit, then that is the right person for you. I am not saying about me. If any of your friends or any of your uh, brokers who are giving you constant profit, you should stick to them. Not you should run to that broking firm who is giving you high profit for a short period of time. That means he is attracting you, but he is not sure about the future coming. So, as my broking firm is very old, it's not very old, I would love, but it's so much old that you should believe, you can believe on me. Now, belief doesn't come by words. I believe that the belief comes through action. I never say more that you should invest on me. I prefer that you should invest what I show to you, what I give you in return. If I have given you more return in this year, you should continue with me, because the person who gives you from 2 years constant profit, he is the person who will give you another 2 years profit. So thank you everyone for investing on me, and also I would love to invest on this last 15 days of December 2020, so that you will get more profit in this high market before the interest goes down. Thank you everyone. Have a good day, and any queries you can call me at my number which is just blinking on your screen, or you can mail me at my email address which is showing in your screen right now.